Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a household essential, the Fels Naptha Laundry Soap Bar and Stain Remover. If you're looking for a powerful solution to tackle tough stains and keep your clothes fresh, this might just be the product for you. Let's start with an overview. The Fels Naptha Laundry Soap Bar comes in a pack of 2, each bar weighing 10 ounces. It's renowned for its effectiveness in pre-wash spotting and removing stubborn stains like grease and perspiration. One of the standout features of Fels Naptha is its versatility. Not only is it great for laundry, but it can also be used for general cleaning around the house and even for treating poison ivy. This natural, heavy-duty soap bar is a go-to choice for many households. Now, let's talk about how to use it effectively. Simply wet the stained area, rub the Fels Naptha bar directly onto the stain, and let it sit for a few minutes before washing as usual. It's a straightforward process that yields impressive results. Using Fels Naptha can save you money by extending the life of your clothes through effective stain removal. It's a tried-and-true solution that has been trusted for generations, thanks to its powerful formula. While there are other stain removers on the market, what sets Fels Naptha apart is its effectiveness and the fact that it's made from natural ingredients. Many users prefer it over chemical-laden alternatives for its gentleness on fabrics and its environmental friendliness. To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable stain remover that's versatile, natural, and effective, the Fels Naptha Laundry Soap Bar is definitely worth considering. Whether you're dealing with everyday stains or more challenging marks, this product delivers. If you've used Fels Naptha before, share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique.